the Vesta control panel for you. For people who are hosting a lot of WordPress sites, I would recommend you set up your own hosting panel using Vesta control slash Plesk. You can use Plesk also, but Plesk is not fully um, free, but Vesta control panel is essentially fully free. So the Vesta control panel is a replacement for cPanel, which you can host very easily in a VPS like this. You can use a 4 GB panel of VPS and you can very easily host Vesta. I'll just show you our hosting this thing where we are hosting our WordPress sites and our PHP code. Yeah, I'll just show you quickly. So just like you are using GoDaddy maybe or any third-party hosting service, you can create a number of clients here, your own clients. You can mark clients as active, inactive. You can create plans for your clients. You can even use this as a production hosting, not at all a problem, right? So this looks pretty clean, and if you are an admin, you can log in as any user. So basically, I will log in as my own user and see um, how things are. So if I go to web, I can see 6 domains are hosted in my account. So similarly, you can host a number of domains with any user, and it has inbuilt email. It has inbuilt support for DB. It has inbuilt file manager. This will cost you a one-time fee of something, $10-20. The file manager thing. We have bought it actually. This is similar to what you get in GoDaddy, right? And yeah, so you have one more good thing is that you get this apps thing. If you have to pay one time or maybe a yearly $10-20 fee for this also, but it's worth it. So you can have a one-click installation of WordPress sites just like in GoDaddy and the other hosting providers, and a number of applications is supported in this, but mostly we are using WordPress, right? So we just click on install now and select our domain, and we are done in 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, we have a SSL ready website. One more good thing about this Vesta control panel is that um, you can easily install Let's Encrypt certificates here, which you cannot do in GoDaddy hosting and other hostings. So, for example, in this domain, I want to actually install a Let's Encrypt HTTPS certificate. I simply select this SSL support and I take this Let's Encrypt support and I click on save. It will automatically convert my website to HTTPS. So within a matter of 2 minutes, I can have a ready-made HTTPS running website, WordPress website, and according to your server size, it can support a number of websites. We are already hosting around 20, 25 websites in this, and you can, even if you have spread across the world, you can create different servers for different countries to reduce your ping time, and a lot of features are supported. It has an inbuilt firewall. It has so the server is pretty good. It supports Nginx for proxying. It has Apache for serving PHP, and it has the DNS server, email server, um, spam prevention, database, FTP server, firewall, everything, fail to ban, brute force monitoring system. Everything is inbuilt into this Vesta. It's really easy to set up, and it's professional. One thing which you may face a trouble is if your site catches a virus, then most of the hostings are offering some scanning of malicious code in PHP that you have to take care yourself here. So I would recommend installing some antivirus like WordFence or some plugin in your WordPress sites to prevent that. Then it's not an issue. You can enable. You have automatic backups of website. Everything is enabled in this Vesta control panel. Plus, as a safety feature, you can even enable automatic backups where you are creating this VPS. So on a VPS level also you have backup. So it does not matter. Uh, you will not face trouble. So in this, if you are hosting around 20 websites, you can actually not only save, you can earn from your clients. So if a client is paying typically $60 a year for hosting in GoDaddy, which is the typical price, so for 20 websites into $60 is $1,200 a year, right? Which is around $200. Sorry, $100 a month, which you can gain from your clients. So this $100 goes to your pocket maybe a month. Even more, uh, right? Even more, because with SSL and all this stuff you are offering, with SSL the pricing can go up to $100 or $150 a month if you have a good deluxe hosting. Then you can actually save up to $100 to $300 a month on this Vista control panel. Plus you have SSH access to the site. You can do anything you want with the website. You have that level of control which you will never get in a shared hosting environment. So let's calculate the total savings we are doing with this 10 uh, things I explained to you, right? So the savings is $40 plus 50, 90. 90 plus 180 is 270 plus 80, 350. Quick development is not a saving of money, I guess, so let it be. Till here we had 350, then 350 plus 30 is 380, 380 plus 200 is 580, 580 plus 500 is 1080, and this one is um, 1080, and this $3,000 is for, I guess, 1 year. So it comes to around 250. 250 plus 1080 is 1330, and this $100 a month is 1430. Sorry, $1430 a month, which is around, in Indian rupees, if you calculate, it's around 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh Indian rupees a month. You can save using these, and it's not only about saving. We have never compromised uh, on the quality and on the security end. What we have offered is almost at par with what we would have got with a SaaS service, and the saving will increase with time because your organization is made to grow. You have not thought of creating a company with 15 employees forever, and the savings will grow, and everything looks more professional when you use this, because you can have your own hosting for chat, for project management, even for hosting and all this stuff. So I guess this was useful, and maybe you guys can save some money with this. So I would take a sign off. This was my first video, so please do not mind if I hesitated or maybe skipped a few explanations, did not explain very well. um, Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, bye bye.